Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Fashion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your great support. Lots of love, care. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive collections only for you. So let me display pure handloom, really very exclusive one. So let me display. This one also very beautiful color combinations, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen Banarasi based for your party wear, very elegant looks. This one full base part grayish black shade with golden zari weaving buta design. This one is full base part, beautiful golden zari weaving, fine weaving Banarasi buta. And this one border portions pink contrast color dye border with beautiful Banarasi weaving work border design. And this one pallu also very beautiful one, baby pink shade with beautiful golden zari fine weaving Banarasi work. And this one full base part, beautiful smart looks, grayish black shade and base is grayish black. And this one is contrast color dye border baby pink shade with golden zari fine weaving design. And this one is running blouse piece fully work. And this one is full base part, very beautiful elegant bright looks based for your outstanding party looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. This one also same material, same work, same pattern, different color and very elegant color combinations. This one is full base part of white tussar color base silk linen material, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen of white cream shade with contrast color black shaded dye golden zari weaving border Banarasi border. This one is contrast color black dye border with golden zari fine weaving design Banarasi heavy worked border. And this one full base part, beautiful golden zari fine weaving Banarasi buta, very elegant color combination. This one is full base part, heavy worked border contrast color dye, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen material. And this one pallu part, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful golden zari weaving Banarasi work, heavy worked pallu. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one is contrast color black shaded stripes pattern buta work running blouse piece and heavy worked pallu and border, very nice one, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, very elegant also, elegant gorgeous looks based for your party wear. This one also very beautiful one, pure handloom resham silk, pure resham silk with silk mark also. Let me open. And beautiful fine fully hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one, very elegant exclusive looks. This one is full base part, pure resham silk. This one is full base with weaving buta design jamdani weaving hand weaving jamdani work buta. And this one is border portions very colorful also, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work border. And this one is full base part, transparent pure resham silk with silk mark also. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy work jamdani work pallu, very colorful also, beautiful fine weaving design, pure resham silk base with jamdani work. This one is beautiful jamdani hand weaving, fully hand weaving work. And this one is full base part, very soft comfortable elegant looks, only 300 gram weight, very lightweight. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece. And this one full base part, elegant looks, pure resham silk transparent with jamdani work, hand weaving jamdani. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart elegant traditional looks. Very beautiful one, bright color bottle green shade, premium quality matka base handloom one with beautiful silk sequin stripes design. And pallu also muslin pallu with jamdani buta. Let me open this one full base part, bottle green shade. And this one is full base part muslin stripes. Let me open. This one is muslin stripes with silk sequin design, base is matka, this portion is muslin, stripes with beautiful sequin design, same stripes pattern, full base part, bright bottle green shade. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, matka base, pure handloom. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, muslin pallu, sequin stripes with beautiful golden and silver zari hand weaving jamdani buta. Very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is full base. This one is muslin stripes, sequin stripes with golden and silver zari buta. And I will suggest the silk material, heavy golden shade bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. Very beautiful one, pure muslin greenish shade, golden zari white border, and this one full base part, pure muslin, pure handloom muslin with golden and silver zari weaving buta design. This one is highlighted border, golden zari border, and this one full base part, golden and silver zari weaving buta design, fully hand weaving, very smart, elegant looks, pure muslin, transparent base. And this one is highlighted golden zari border, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure muslin base with golden and silver zari weaving jamdani work buta. Very smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, very soft, lightweight, only 300 gram weight, and this one is golden zari border, and this one full base part, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design buta, transparent pure muslin. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, soft silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful weaving buta design, multicolor weaving buta design, very smart weaving work. This one full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, handloom cotton fabric with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, contrast color threaded weaving design jamdani work buta. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted gicha stripes with hand weaving jamdani work pallu. Very smart, elegant looks, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And this one split section stripes pattern. This one is split stripes and this one is upper base part. This one is running blouse piece, very smart, elegant, exclusive look, very soft, comfortable one, based for your office wear, also daily wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks, very soft, comfortable one, fine cotton fabric, very nice one. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton kota with jamdani buta, very bright, beautiful looks, maroon shade and black and maroon combined work, very nice one. This one full base part, this one is contrast color stripes highlighted border, and full base part is silk cotton material with kota and jamdani buta, very nice one, elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, contrast color black shaded kota checks with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is pallu and this one is full base part, upper base part, maroon shade kota checks jamdani buta multicolor. And this one split section, beautiful kota checks with this portion is split section with jamdani buta, kota checks with jamdani buta. This one is running blouse piece, very smart, elegant, beautiful, bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, half matka, half muslin, muslin portion transparent with buta design, polka design, very nice one, smart, elegant looks, beautiful color combination. This one half portion muslin, this portion is muslin, greenish yellow shaded with beautiful weaving, golden zari weaving polka design. This one is full base part, muslin, upper portion transparent, and this one pallu in beautiful contrast color with silver zari fine weaving stripes pattern pallu. And this one is upper base part, muslin transparent golden zari weaving polka design. And this one half portion is muslin and half portion is matka. This portion is split section blue shade, this one is running blouse piece, this one is plaits blue, and this one is upper base part greenish yellow shade with weaving polka design. Very elegant, smart looks, trendy one, best for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work, brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also very elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom, lane by lane with checks design, silver zari border, and let me open. Very beautiful, smart, elegant looks, best for your office wear, professional wear. Very nice one. This one full base part, multi-colored checks pattern with highlighted silver zari highlighted checks design. This one is silver zari border, and this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. And this one pallu part, silver zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, beautiful one, checks with buta design, contrast color. This portion is full base part is checks pattern, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful weaving, fine weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very elegant, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. This one also a beautiful one, checks design, very trendy one, smart looks, best for your office wear. This one is natural fabric, lane by lane with silver zari border, and full base part is multicolored checks design. Very nice one. This one full base part, multicolored checks, highlighted silver zari outline with silver zari border, and this one is full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane, smart, bright, trendy looks, checks design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one pallu and beautiful, smart look, silver zari stripes with checks pattern. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. This one also very beautiful, bright one, premium quality pure handloom, silk cotton material with silver and golden zari combined weaving buta design, contrast pallu and jamdani work. Very nice one. This one full base part, beautiful color combinations. This one is full base part, golden and silver zari weaving buta design, highlighted piping, contrast color, silk material. And this one is full base part, golden and silver zari weaving buta. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color pallu with beautiful jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani work, golden and silver zari weaving jamdani work. Very nice one, fully hand weaving work. And this one is full base part, soft, lightweight, smart, elegant looks, beautiful, smart buta design, golden and silver zari weaving buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy looks. Very beautiful one, trendy looks, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with silvery print. Very nice one, silver zari border, very smart, elegant looks and beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, lane, fine lane by lane, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful silvery dye, very smart, elegant looks. This one is pallu part, pallu also silver zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and full base part is silvery dye, very smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, silver zari border, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, trendy, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, elegant, smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material, contrast border and beautiful katha stitch pattern design by Gicha. Very elegant, trendy one. This one full base part, beautiful one, maroon shade contrast border and stripes, katha stitch pattern weaving design by Gicha. temple weaving design, full border portions, very beautiful bright looks, handloom cotton silk material, and this portion is gicha weaving by gicha katha stitch pattern. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part, very smart elegant looks. Same weaving pattern pallu. This one is pallu part, very elegant one, bright gorgeous looks, and cotton silk material, pure handloom gicha weaving by gicha thread. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy smart bright looks, best for your daily wear, office wear, very smart one. This one also beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton contrast weaving border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design. This one full base part, this one is border portions, blue shade base is blue, contrast yellow border with fine weaving design, fully hand weaving design, charka cotton and katha stitch pattern stripes design with buta work, fully hand weaving. And this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom cotton charka cotton and stripes work, full base part, very smart elegant look, soft lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, same stripes work, buta work. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, multi-color fine weaving design, face motif buta with highlighted stripes, katha stitch pattern stripes work. This one elegant trendy smart looks, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive elegant looks, very elegant one. This one also very bright one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material with heavy weaving work, golden zari border, and full base part is weaving buta design. This one blue shade, and this one is half portion, beautiful highlighted weaving design. This one is border portions, bright blue shade with beautiful weaving design. This portion is half portion, split section, this portion is split section. And this portion is upper base part, beautiful buta work. This one is pleats, this one is upper base part, fully hand weaving buta design. And this one full pallu end, half pattern weaving design different. This one is buta pattern weaving design, full pallu part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is split section. Exclusive elegant smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart bright gorgeous looks. Very beautiful one, pure handloom spun silk with checks design, very nice and beautiful color combinations, blackish navy blue shade with contrast color threaded weaving design border. This one full base part, very smart elegant look, spun silk. This one is border, fully hand weaving threaded weaving design border, fully hand weaving work. And this one full base part, contrast golden zari checks pattern, full base, soft lightweight pure handloom spun silk. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, checks with stripes pattern, highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very smart elegant look, soft lightweight obviously. This one is full base part, spun silk checks pattern weaving threaded weaving design, highlighted border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very smart elegant bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, also same material, spun silk checks pattern, contrast color golden zari weaving checks with beautiful threaded weaving border design. This one full base part, spun silk. This one is border, fully hand weaving threaded work border. This one is border portion, this one is full base part, checks pattern. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, checks with stripes highlighted pallu. And this one full base part, very smart elegant trendy look, soft lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color. And this one is full base part, checks with weaving threaded weaving border, very nice one, very smart bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. This one also beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane with fine weaving design, very smart elegant looks, blue shade and contrast border, red border, maroon border, and this one full base part, very smart weaving design. This one is full base part, contrast color weaving butta design. This one is border, highlighted stripes with beautiful butta design, very smart trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, blue shade, navy blue shade, and this one pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving design, smart weaving design pallu, soft lightweight natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful weaving pallu, and full base part is jamdani butta, very exclusive elegant bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your smart trendy elegant looks, elegant bright looks. This one also very smart one, designer piece, catwalk, natural fabric, lane by lane, catwalk design, catwalk embroidery work, golden zari border, blue shade, navy blue shade, and full base part is beautiful border portions, beautiful catwalk embroidery design, golden zari border, and full border portions, beautiful catwalk with mirror design, artificial mirror with embroidery work, very nice one. This one is full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is border portions, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully heavy catwalk embroidery design pallu. This one is pallu, beautiful one, catwalk with embroidery heavy worked pallu design, very nice one, bright beautiful gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom tissue lane, very premium quality, highlighted border, golden zari contrast color border. This one is border portions, 1 inch border, smart looks, highlighted contrast maroon shaded stripes with golden zari, and full base part premium quality pure handloom tissue lane, have golden sign with beautiful multi-color fine weaving design butta. This one is beautiful butta design, fully hand weaving butta work, and soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom tissue lane, 1 inch border. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, multi-color weaving fine weaving butta, highlighted stripes line, very smart elegant looks, fully weaving design, hand weaving. And this one full base part, beautiful color combinations, golden shade, premium quality pure handloom tissue lane, shiny material. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding party looks, bright gorgeous also. So very beautiful one, Lian Banarashi, beautiful color combinations, light purple shade, golden zari weaving butta, contrast border, heavy weaving golden zari, premium quality golden zari weaving Banarashi border. This one border portions, beautiful color combinations, fine weaving design, fully hand weaving design, Banarashi border. And this one is full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane, and full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving butta design, very smart elegant color combination. This one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, premium quality golden zari fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, fully brocade pattern weaving design pallu, fully hand weaving work, very soft comfortable. And this one full base part, very beautiful bright looks, natural fabric, lane by lane. And this one is border portions, golden zari fine weaving design border. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part, very smart bright trendy looks, elegant also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart bright looks. And today I have draped a beautiful color saree, premium quality pure handloom matka base, matka jamdani, full base part is heavy jamdani work, fully hand weaving, and full base part is same work golden zari highlighted border, and full base part is fully hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving work, matka base, premium quality, pure handloom matka jamdani. And this one, resham pallu with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani heavy worked pallu. Very smart, bright looks, elegant also, traditional looks. Sky blue shade with beautiful hand weaving work. Very beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.